The Anycubic Kobra Go promises hassle-free 3D printing, especially for beginners. Its key selling point is the Anycubic LeviQ auto-leveling system, which claims to level the bed in just 5 minutes. In practice, this system is generally effective and a huge time saver compared to manual leveling. The removable print surface is another standout feature. It's flexible and makes removing prints significantly easier than traditional sticker or glass platforms. This design also reduces maintenance, a definite plus. Anycubic boasts about the Kobra Go's speed, thanks to the separated Bowden extruder. While it can achieve decent speeds, don't expect miracles. It's faster than some entry-level printers, but not a speed demon. Print quality is respectable for the price point, producing decent detail and relatively smooth surfaces. Assembly is straightforward, aided by video and written instructions. Even a complete novice should be able to get it up and running without too much trouble. The knob-style belt tensioners are a nice touch, making adjustments quick and tool-free. While the filament runout sensor is a useful feature, it's unfortunately sold separately. This feels like a bit of a missed opportunity, as it should really be included at this price. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra Go delivers on its promise of ease of use. The auto-leveling and removable print bed are genuine game-changers for beginners. While not perfect, it offers a compelling combination of features and performance for the price, making it a solid contender in the entry-level 3D printer market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.